Hi friends, back with another video. I got this Dashcam which is Transcend Drivepro 10 from the UK, and the main reason for that was my Hyundai Venue did not have a Dashcam, and I wanted that badly to install a Dashcam in my Venue. So I got back to India and I got it installed on my Venue. I've been using this for 1 month now, and I expected a lot of things from Transcend brand, because Transcend overall, I thought since it's an American brand, it would give me a lot of quality. That's what I felt compared to the Chinese brands. But unfortunately, my experience with this one has not been good at all, and the Chinese brands are much better, because I've used the Chinese brands well enough to understand the quality of those, and the first time I'm using Transcend, and I'm not very happy with this product. Like you can see, this is supposed to be a very compact size. Yes, it's very compact, because if you look at the footprint, it is very, very small, and it's got a built-in battery for temporary recording. Built-in battery means for if some power just goes off, the USB connection goes off, it can record for 1 or 2 minutes. It's got a wide angle lens, high sensitivity sensor, night vision. That's what it's been claimed. I'll just show you the front view. I'll just get out of my car and I'll show you the front view of this camera. See, it's very small. It's very good wide angle lens as well. But I faced a few issues with this, and the major issue for me is like the recording quality has been not up to the mark, and many times when I try to go and see a video which this Dashcam has recorded, you can actually record 1, 2 or 5 minutes video with this one. So that's a good option, and you can have a lot of settings tried out with the app. That's also a good one. But one issue with the app is that with this Transcend app, the Wi-Fi connections, every time you have to do it manually, and the download for me in my phone, which is the Samsung S21 Ultra, when I'm trying to download the video which is in the Dashcam to my phone, if the screen goes off after the 30-second interval, the download is never completed, and I have to make sure that the screen is always touched on to have the download completed in a proper manner. So that's something which I've never came across the Chinese brands. So overall, pretty disappointed. When I look up the videos, I'm not able to find the number plates like I want it to be. And the second issue is there is a sound coming out of the recording. I don't know what exactly. There is something loose in the Dashcam or whatever, but the sound is coming up. I've tried to just tighten everything, but it's still the sound is coming up while it is recording. I don't know exactly what it is, but when I was searching forums, and many forums, people have actually said that the sound is coming because something is loose in the Dashcam. But I don't know, and I can't get it to the service center or anything which is viable to correct that. So I have to live with it, and that's a bad thing. And what I'm going to do now is show you the videos which is I've captured in this with this Dashcam, to show you the quality, the day quality and the night quality, and you can judge for yourself. Now let's see how this works with the app. Let's go and check the app. You can see the app is Drivepro, and the Transcend branding comes in when you open the app. I'm going to connect it. So every single time this asks for you to connect with the Wi-Fi, which is a bit disturbing, because with the Chinese apps it normally goes to the connection once it is actually stored. For this one you have to do it every single time, which is not good. So I'm trying to connect this one. Now you need to touch next, wait for it. Okay, so I'll give always connect, and this is the live view. Shows, mobile data should be turned off. Again, shows that. I'll turn off mobile data. See, there are bugs happening every single time. That's why I'm not very, now it's come up. It's very wide, as you can see, very wide. So that's a good thing. And when you go back and you can check the browser, it's not fast as the Chinese apps as well. It takes some time, and yeah, it's come up in the night driving, which I've done yesterday. So yeah, let's see a night clip for just to check the quality. So when it was raining, pretty okay, but not as good as I want it to be. So yeah, we'll go back and see the settings. So in the settings, you can see settings. You have resolution, exposure value, video length, which can be like 1, 3 or 5. Microphone, switch it on and off. Light frequency 60 and 50. Image flip, video stamp, date time, G sensor, delay, power off, Wi-Fi, and card capacity, everything. Upgrade firmware, which doesn't really work at all. Yeah. Okay, it says it's up to date. So yes, friends, now please go and check the samples, video samples, day video samples and night video samples, and check out for yourselves how the quality is. as far as I'm concerned, friends, the Transcend Drive Pro 10 has not been something which I want to use. I just want to switch this dashcam to another one, so that I'm satisfied with the quality of the dashcam which I'm using. So yes, friends, that's conclude my reviews of the Transcend Drive Pro 10. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.